everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today it's me and I'm going to show you how to do a cheap way of doing that kind of effortless beachy wave. Let me show you. So I like to do this on hair that needs a wash and you can't be bothered to wash it. So what I do is the night before I just do a normal braid, not a French braid, just a normal braid, nape of the neck, spray a bit of water or whatever you want on it, pop your bobble in, sleep in it, okay? And then we're going to take it out. Now as I take this out, it's just going to have a nice little crimp to the hair, nothing unusual, we've all seen this before. Obviously this top part is straight. I've tried doing like a French braid or a Dutch braid, but it just doesn't work out for me. I've got quite a lot of like shorter bits, so I always just do a nape of the neck, and then you're going to get your straightening irons, your straighteners, and you're going to sort out this top bit. So the way I do it is I'm just going to grab a top section of hair. Sometimes I do underneath, but most of the time I don't. This style takes me like 5 minutes. Take a small section, you're going to clamp down and you're going to twist in, twist out, twist in, twist out, twist in, twist out. All the way down, and when I get to the ends I just kind of like pull it down. And then you're just going to give that a little shake. And we're going to go again. Don't worry, it looks a bit crazy to start with. So, clamp down. You're going to bend in, bend out, in, quite exaggerated, and then down. So the way I do it, guys, is I take a front section of hair like so, I clamp down, and I roll, but exaggerated rolls. Rolling in, rolling out with a straightener, and then I just kind of refresh the front with a bit of dry shampoo or a bit of powder spray, and then I just go in with a texture spray. So you can tip your head up for this or you can tilt it. So that is how I do my effortless, I'm going surfing, I can't surf, hair. I do this on second day old hair, I love it, it stays in probably all today, sometimes the next day as well, and yeah, it takes me 5 minutes.